This 2022 Thor Freedom Traveler 29A is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor is 30 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, stove top burner, oven, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, skylight, water heater, slide-out, TV, carbon monoxide detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen. This 2022 Thor Freedom Traveler 29A is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.